Welcome to Transition Door. Any corporate business success begins with stated vision, written goals, continuous learning and increasing knowledge, ROI focused marketing strategies, talent acquisition and recruitment, accounting, technology, and so on. This success mantra is being researched, fashioned, and authentically presented to provide exponential growth politically and economically hundreds of years back. The Management Shastra, which includes this success mantra, was contributed by a great legend. Born in 375 BCE, the Indian naturally is celebrated for his political wisdom and knowledge of human nature. He was a royal advisor, economist, and philosopher in building one of the most powerful Maurya empire. Claimed as a master strategist, was being insulted by the Nanda king. He vows and destroys him. After dethroning the Nanda, he installs Chandragupta as a new king. He is none other than Chanakya. Being the first management politician, he was a great wild fighter and honest advisor, a mysterious strategist, a shrewd politician, a kingmaker, and above all, guru of governance and economist. Chanakya's management thoughts and ideas guided kings and rulers for centuries to manage the kingdom. His book Arthashastra contains 6,000 sutras, which are formulas of how to be successful. As a management guru, Chanakya gives 7 pillars for a kingdom to be peaceful, vibrant, and wealthy. This is also applicable to the current business success. Let's see how it is related. The 7 pillars are the king, who is the leader, the minister, who is the manager, the country, which is your market, the fortified city, which is the infrastructure, the treasury, being finance, the army, which is your team, and the ally, who is a mentor. Number 1. The king, who is a leader, is a visionary, the captain, the man who sets a vision and direction. According to Chanakya, leadership qualities include intelligent and dynamic, associates with others, truthful in speech, walk the talk, grateful, desirous of training, and easily approachable. Number 2, the minister, who is the manager, is a person who runs the ship, the second in command. He is efficient, who steers the ship in the right direction and in action constantly. As managers, they should have desire to learn, power of retention, thorough understanding, ability to lead an army, and sweetness of speech. Number 3, the country, which is a business market, cannot exist without a market to serve. It's the area of operation, the place and people you serve, and from where you get your revenue and cash flow. Number 4, the fortified city, which is the infrastructure, is a nucleus and the center of any organization. It's from here that your central administrative work is done, and in today's day and age, it's both physical and digital. 5. The treasury, being the finance, is the backbone of any business. A strong and well-managed treasury is the heart of any organization. Number 6. The army consists of your team members who are ready to fight for the organization. Number 7. The ally, who is a mentor, is a friend, philosopher, and guide whom you can depend upon when problems arise. He sheds light and gives guidance when you are in darkness. When these pillars are strong, an organization can see the progress and success. The great Indian thinker and diplomat Chanakya has a list of principles that would ensure sound governance, which includes economy, politics, financial management, and administration. A lot of his management principles have been subject to extensive study. His leadership lessons or also more than relevant in today's society. In the upcoming series of corporate business success, we would be embarking on a journey to be a successful human being in all the perspectives of your life. Thank you for listening. Keep watching and let's celebrate.